One thing about living in an African home is that you cannot run away from house chores. Like, guys, I just came back from work. All I had in mind to eat this night is just have my tea and bread and go to bed. And boom, my dad said I should make this periwinkle soup for him. So guys, I have no other option than to do it. So this was me preparing the periwinkle. I am using this the wrong side of the knife to cut the ends of the periwinkle, and after cutting it, this is how I wash my periwinkle. I put it into a pot, add some water, cover it up and shake it. I will shake it very well so that all the dirt are going to come out, and I will do this for like 3 times until the water is clear. Guys, try this technique and your periwinkle will be so clean. I learned this from one of my aunties that I once lived with. I was done washing the periwinkle, and can you see how clean the water is? So right now I am selecting my pumpkin leaf, my ugu leaves. After selecting the leaves, I will go ahead and wash it thoroughly and cut it. So right now I'm inside the kitchen and I just prepared my bunga fish. I pounded my crayfish and onions, and I just on the gas cooker and place my pot on the fire. I'll be adding, this pot contains water, so I'll be adding red oil into the water. After adding red oil, I'll add my crayfish and onion mix. After adding it, I'll rinse the mortar and pour in the water into it. I'm adding my bunga fish right now, and I'll stir everything together and allow it to cook. Now I'm adding my seasoning cubes. I'm adding pepper. This is my salt, and also I'll be adding a little bit of cocoyam powder. My father doesn't want this soup to be thick. He wants it to be very light so that he can scoop it with a spoon. So right now I'm adding my periwinkle, done everything together, and right now it is boiling. So guys, after allowing it to boil for some time, I added my ugu leaves and stir it together, cover it up and allow it to cook again. So guys, our food is ready. This food is very nutritious and you should definitely give it a try. So guys, I dished out the soup into plate and added spoon for my dad, and this other one is my own plate of the soup. And as I was eating the soup, I was watching this new Korean movie, When Life Gives You Tangerines. I don't know if you have seen that movie. I'm still in season 6 of the movie, so I don't really know what is going to happen, but the movie is interesting. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will see you all in my next upload, and let me know if you'll be trying this soup out because it is very nutritious. Thanks for watching. Bye.